Our team have built hundreds of home extensions around Brisbane, and we have listened to what Brisbane families are telling us and have designed our new range of linked extensions to help other families solve their space problems. Today, I want to share with you our exciting new product that we use to build these stunning, cost-effective designs to Brisbane family homes. Introducing our innovative Claddular panels, a structural insulated panel better known as SIPs. This panel, in conjunction with upgraded structural timber wall framing, creates a wall system that supersedes the traditional old-school construction methods. The outer skin of the Claddular panels are supplied with magnesium oxide board, which are fibre and water resistant and have been manufactured to have far greater performance than fibre cement cladding types on the market. The inner core is called an EPS, or expanded polystyrene, which is 90mm thick. This continuous bonding of EPS insulation to the outer skin offers incredible strength and resistance to impact. The EPS has cavities formed every 300mm for electrical and plumbing services to be run. The inner skin of the Claddular panels supplied with a 6mm fibre cement villa board, a durable water resistant interior lining offering a smooth sanded flat fibre cement sheet with recesses on the long edges for flush jointing and a seamless finish. The benefits for building with Claddular panels are numerous. Substantial savings on energy costs, extremely high R values achieved, along with extremely effective air tightness, equating to a near zero air leakage home. Fast construction times outperform standard stick frame construction, and savings on off-site and on-site builders' costs. Wastage on site is very low, as panels are manufactured to every building's design in a controlled environment inside a factory here in Brisbane. Panels are pre-painted off-site for construction efficiencies. Additional wall bracing not required, as this type of system eliminates cracking of wall linings and resists movement. Favourable solution for highly reactive soil types like we have experience around Brisbane. Most effective construction type to narrow and tight sites, something we also experience in Brisbane. The product can be retrofitted for all types of construction around Brisbane. Home extensions, lift up and build in unders, or second story additions. The uses are endless. Finally, did I mention this is a termite resistant product meeting performance solutions for the building code? Download our free guide now so that you can find out how our linked extensions can achieve more space within your family home, saving you both on energy and building costs.